What's the meaning of agile? Agile. 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 Agile generally refers to an approach to project management that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Agile methodologies aim to enable teams to respond quickly and efficiently to changing requirements and feedback. The result is often more efficient and effective product development, with a focus on delivering value to the customer early and frequently. By promoting close communication and teamwork, agile practices can foster a culture of innovation and continuous learning, leading to better outcomes for all stakeholders involved in a project.